Check out the condition of this Mustang 5.0. There are severe swirl marks all over this ride, but not for long. Restoring vehicles back to a swirl-free shine is what we do best. We're performing a 2-stage polish to remove swirl marks while restoring the shine. We're applying Ceramic Pro Bronze 2 years protection. Our customer will enjoy a rich, deep shine for 2 years, no waxing required. Let's check out the results. Our customer couldn't stop checking out his ride. The big smile on his face made our day. He was so impressed with our work. Just listen to his great review he left for us on Google and Yelp. Awesome people, great work. Craftsmanship at the highest level. Take your ride here. It will be in safe and professional hands. They truly do go above and beyond when dealing with other people's rides. Unlimited advice.